Hi, I am Sabrina Gidda. I'm a London-based chef and my style of food is big flavour, super vibrant, and today I'm going to be cooking you dishes from my new book, Modern South Asian Kitchen. When I'm not in the professional kitchen, entertaining friends at home is an absolute joy for me. So I'm going to show you a few dishes that are perfect for this bank holiday. Today I'm going to be cooking an amazing chicken kebab served with green chutney, and we're going to be serving that with a beautiful salad of mango, mooli, lots of fresh herbs, perfect for this warm weather. And then we're going to be finishing with a beautiful lime posset dressed with a mango and kaffir lime salad. So let's get cooking. So the first thing we're going to start with are the chicken kebabs. Now this is perfect when you're entertaining because you can actually make it a day or two ahead of time, and then when your friends are around you can just pop them under the grill or pop them on the barbecue. Here I've got some great chicken mince. I've gone for sort of 5 to 6% fat chicken mince because you'd like them to be nice and juicy and keep that flavour. So we'll start with a touch of salt. And then to this I'm going to add some ginger paste, a touch of toasted whole coriander seed, and then my favourite, green chilies. So if you're not huge on spice, please don't be scared. I promise they have incredible flavour, not just heat, but they are very special. So from the Indian green chili, you get sort of beautiful aromatics, and they kind of have a little touch of a sweetness and a heatness coming to them, but really great ingredient. I'm going to take 1 or 2 of these. And if you'd like to, you can whiz it up in a food processor, but I'm just going to chop by hand. So, if you don't eat meat, you can use fish. I have a great recipe for a fish kebab, or you can use a plant-based alternative. So into the bowl, we're going to pop our green chili. And next to this, we are going to add a touch of mango powder. Amazing thing. So it gives a really lovely citrus floral note to your dishes, but without the kind of moisture that lemon and lime gives. So a little sprinkle of that. Secret spice blend, garam masala. And the last thing we need is a touch of fresh coriander. The thing I would say about this is to be really generous, and please, whatever you do, don't throw away the stalks. This is the best bit. Any little bits and pieces that you have left, you don't need to waste either. This will go into our green chutney, which is great. So now, in goes the coriander. Before we start mixing, I am just going to get myself ready with a tray. In we go. Give this a good mix together. So then you take a little of your mix, like this, and then you can just roll them into a ball and pop them onto your tray. So let's make this last tikki now. So again, lined paper, much easier for the wash up, but also they can sit in the fridge and they won't stick, or you can cook them under the grill, probably about 200, so that you get nice colour and caramelisation, or we'd be out into the garden ready to barbecue. Next up is my favourite green chutney. It couldn't be any simpler to make. It'll keep in your fridge for up to a week, so that's a win in terms of your prep. My favourite green chilli, the juice of a lemon, coriander, and also some fresh mint. So very, very vibrant chutney. And when I say this is easy, I really do mean that it's easy. So the only thing with the mint here is I would say is don't use the stalks. They can be a little bit woody. These can go into your water jug. You don't want to have any waste. And I'm going to add a tablespoon, very generous tablespoon, of ginger paste to this too. A splash of rice wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, a touch of mango powder, and of course, I mustn't forget my chilies. And then juice of half a very juicy lemon. And now we're ready to blend. So that's all blended, and you can pop that in the fridge and take it out when you're ready to use it. To serve with the chicken kebabs, I'm going to make the most incredible mango and mouli salad. For me, julienne peeler. So what I like to do is peel the mouli down like this, and you end up with these gorgeous little ribbons. If you've never tried a mouli before, it's crunchy, it's fresh, it's a little bit peppery, and it's perfect for summer salads and barbecues. We've got all of this gorgeous shredded mouli that can go straight into the bowl. Next, a couple of carrots, the same treatment. Shredded carrots, in we go. Going to add a little red onion. We're back to our peeler and a touch of cucumber. Spring onions. And then next, mango. We'll start by just taking off the skin of the mango, and then no surprises, a handy little peeler so that we can get some lovely little mango strips. Nice juicy lemon or lime, completely up to you. So this salad doesn't have a traditional dressing. There's no oil in this dressing. That also means that you can keep it for a couple of days before your guests arrive, and all of those flavours will mix together and your salad won't go brown and it stays fresh. I'm adding some whole mint leaves to the salad. Also up for whole herbs is my favourite coriander. So all I would say is that the top leaves you can just pick up, throw into the salad like this, and then the stalky parts that you have, if you just chop them through once with your knife and add them, you'll get a nice mix of textures. A touch of salt for seasoning. If you are making this ahead of time for your guests, you can just leave the salt out and season before they arrive. I love a little mix of toasted peanuts or crispy corn. Gives the salad lovely texture, so we'll go in with those. And now, the fun part. Just give everything a nice mix together. I like to finish with a little touch of pomegranate powder, just for colour. The perfect thing to make after a little bit of spice is a beautiful lime posset. I'm serving mine with an amazing mango salad with a touch of kaffir lime just for a bit of extra freshness. And it's perfect because you can make it a day or two in advance and it's ready for when you are entertaining. Into the pan, the double cream and a touch of caster sugar, and then you can bring this up to the boil. I'm using 4 little Indian limes here and 1 kaffir lime. This has an incredible perfume in the skin, and when we dress the salad at the end, just gives a really amazing flavour. When the cream and sugar have come up to the boil, give it a whisk to make sure it's nicely mixed. Into the cream now, we're going to add the juice. And as soon as you've added the juice, you'll see the cream mixture begin to thicken. I've just popped the mix back into this lovely jug so it's a bit easier to pour, and I'm going to pour it into these gorgeous glasses. Last thing before the fridge, just a tiny little touch of kaffir lime zest, just on top. Wow, that smells incredible. I enjoy laying the table almost as much as I enjoy sitting down to eat dinner. I've chosen these beautiful tea light holders because our dinners go on long after the sun goes down. Fresh florals are essential for me. It's those simple pleasures that just make for a really gorgeous space for you to entertain. Now the possets have set, we can finish with a little bit of mango salad. So I've just diced up a ripe mango, finished with a touch of zest from the kaffir lime and a good old squeeze of the juice, and we can just finish plating. These smell incredible. And I just love chicken kebabs with green chutney. A little squeeze of lemon. I'm going to let my guests do this at the table, and then a touch more of this pomegranate powder. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I've inspired you to get into your spice cupboards and cook something beautiful and vibrant for your get-together this bank holiday.